We at Wally World for our fishing trip tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna do any type of budget deal, but I'll probably let you know what it's gonna cost you on the average saltwater trip out to the Atlantic. That's what we're probably gonna do today. Got the family with us. Robbie, say what up, bye. Alrighty, so we are loaded up and ready to go out to New Smyrna. Robbie's got his truck loaded up too. And believe it or not, we got a bike with us. Alright, so we made it out to Ormond. This is what, Granada Pier, Robbie? And there is a bait and tackle shop that we're gonna go into here in a minute and get us some fucking bait, right? You get bait?
Yeah, we're gonna get some stuff.
Alright. Alright, so we've been out here for a little while. Robbie done got some footage of him casting it, and we got a few lines in the water, and we're having some shrimp difficulties.
Oh. I'm trying to get it. Hold on.
Put your fingers right in there.
It's moving.
That's fine. That's just how it breathes. That's all.
It's, yeah.
Grab them.
I can't do it.
You can.
I can't do
Yeah,
it.
you can. Yep.
You got this, baby.
You got it. You gotta hold it and take a picture of it.
You have your fingers in there.
You can't hurt.
The fuck you can't.
Baby, just grab them. Yep, there you go.
There you go.
You got it.
You gotta hold it tight. Put your fingers right there.
It's all.
Your fingers are probably gonna go in the hole. There you go.
Don't let it go.
You're
Stop
shaking so
shaking.
much. Good job. You want to pet it?
I guess it's cheaper.
Oh God.
That's pretty good. You got it.
Robbie feet this shit.
Go to you, but then you went towards it. So she
Hold on, baby, it's hot.
She's gonna hold it.
Here, Robbie. I'm gonna stab that guy when he comes back with it. You son of a bitch.
I let him go.
It's okay. Die piece of shit. Did you go? You're recording.
So we've done a bit of fishing. We are now pulling up to the resort to check in. Supposed to be for a week, but I don't think we might not stay here that long. We're about to see how things go. Gotta call the boss and see if we get a day off at least. Alright, checked in. We're in the room. Oh snap, it's got a whole nother bathroom over here, dude. Bathroom. Little kitchen. What do we got for like whatnots? Pans, pots, some washing stuff, cutlery, silverware.
I didn't come for your food.
No. We got ice. Oh, we got a balcony too.
Yeah, I just see the pool and stuff. I'm not gonna do Fuck this shit.
Pretty damn nice. Little coffee maker, a little table. Got, should be washing machine. No.
No, they gave us vacuum though. I said, wait, just make sure you clean up.
Table. Got some old New Smyrna Beach, Florida shit. This is a bed.
One I have up in Daytona has, like, you walk in, it's literally, you have one whole side of the building.
Do you really?
You got 2 bedrooms.
So when are we staying in yours? This is the poor man shit.
Nice.
This is all I could afford. You wanna know how much I paid for it? Free. $25
Oh, no.
for the week, yeah. Oh, this is nice. It's 2 bathrooms. Yeah, look. He's was that a hydrofoil?
Oh, yeah.
I knew I seen him doing something. But still pretty badass though.
I'd rather have a bar.
We could find one over here. Bro, for $25?
Not bad.
No. Better than $600 that you're paying a month. That's what I want to see what $600 buys you. Hey, we could cash right off of here with the big rods.
I think we can make it.
Hell yeah, we could. Hot tub, pool. Damn, you know what we should have brought? one of the fucking baby monitors. We could connect it to Wi-Fi, and if the kids are sleeping, we could just come down here and just watch them.
Yeah.
Literally, just put the phone up next to the pool and check on them every fucking few minutes. I didn't think about that. Man, there's a car right there. There's 2 cars on the beach right there. We could just parked in the back, Robbie. Damn.
Fishing on the beach, so, I'm going to try to cast net for some bait. We're over here on the other side of High Bridge by the little canal. I'm going to do a couple blind casts. Hopefully we can get something. Ooh. I don't see anything jumping though. Nothing. Let's set this up for a minute. There's some bait right there. I don't know if you can see it. See if I can't get some. Oh, looks like we landed right on top of the school. How many's in that school though? I got a couple. A good bit right there. Bring it over here to the bait bucket and got some bait. Decent little start. You get a bite? It's the glasses, man. Don't be hating on the glasses. Got some bait though, so it's a good start. Perfect size finger mullet. Turn the aerator on. Let these guys go in here. Stay alive, guys. Catch us some big ones. First cast, second cast was a success. First cast was nothing. Man's throwing some lures. You got a paddle tail on, right? No? Oh, it's shrimp. Using a gulp. And he's got some paddle tails he's gonna try out. And he just cast it into a tree over there.
50-pound braid force.
Is it? A little minnow right there. So it looks like there's still some bait moving around over here. I'm gonna try to cast one more time, see if we can't get any more. Hopefully we get lucky. Get at least a couple more. Oh, there's one. There's 2, 3. Oh, we got some bait. There's some shining in there. Got 3 mullet. take him back over here and throw him in the bait bucket. Matt said there's some bigger mullet jumping over here. Can you cast out that far? There might be a red chasing him. Or a snook. Let's see what we got. Here we got a 4 mullet. A little shiner. These things always get stuck in my net. A lot of people just rip them out, but if you just shake it around a little bit, they come right out. A little messed up, but he's alive. All these mullet, they're perfect size for redfish, snook. You see all the bait schooling over there. There's some more bait coming in right here. Probably too small to catch though. Matt just cut his line. Something big just jumped right over there. Yeah, there's some. Yeah, there is right there too, huh? Watch out real quick. I'm gonna try to cast right there. Alright guys, so I walked down the trail a little bit. Haven't really been this far down, but there's a lot of movement going on up and through here. Crazy. Everything looks like it's out of a movie. This is where, when the fish are getting chased, all the mullet, they get chased by big fish. They go into the thicker stuff to try to hide. It's pretty cool out here. All these holes that you're seeing around here too, they're all fiddler crabs. They're really good bait for drum, sheephead, stuff like that. All these holes right here. The only issue is you're not allowed to dig here. It's against the law. And we're not trying to break any laws. So Matt's saying there's big mullet jumping right there in the middle. We're just going to do a blind cast. See if we can't get any. How far out? Just directly in the middle?
See where the center?
Uh-huh.
The leaves and stuff?
Let's see if I can get that. Oh, I almost slipped. That would have sucked.
That's a pretty good cast though.
Well, Matt got us a little croaker. Little shiner. You lied, Matt. There's no big mullet.
They were when you were peeing.
They're still good bait. We'll try them out and see what we get on them. Oh yeah. I'm going back over there with the family. Matt's gonna try to catch some redfish or snook or something. We'll see him soon.
Don't forget those 2 rods.
I got you. A little shrimp on there.
You got cigarettes on you, Robin?
They're in the
In your truck?
yeah, in the truck. And the
Where,
door.
in the passenger?
Driver's side door.
Oh, how'd you hook him?
Through the tail. So I'm gonna try to cast out right here.
Bring him back in?
Hold it. Okay. Are you trying to
You'd be
get
proud of me. You see how I've been hooking him.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
Shoot
cast
that
out
from
right here. because there's been some fish jumping right here. They're probably small mangrove or something, but we're still gonna try to catch one.
Huh? Get what?
No, see how long it takes. Go down. Make a loop. Get about 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna go back through and pull it tight.
I'm gonna pull next to it then.
I usually hook it in something, wrap the line around, and pull it nice and tight.
Is this a joke?
Oh, and then you want to clip the tag
No,
in.
they're flying off. Ain't no way I got that.
And we're gonna take this weight off. Boom.
Oh, you're running reds?
Uh-huh.
I bet you to get a bite because it makes it look like they're bleeding.
Mm-hmm.
They got a tractor to it.
And we're gonna try to live line a shrimp.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh. I showed them how to tie the knot real quick. And just do a regular slip knot like that for that side. Pretty, huh?
Did you retie it on the hook?
Yeah. Let's see. Nothing too big. That looks like it's dead. A live one. Small live one. Oh my god. I'll hook him through the tail so he can still move. Not going to be moving a lot, but he's still going to move. I'm just going to drop him right here. Let's see what happens. Huh? Yeah. There it is. Ready, ready? Oh, 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 oh.
You hear me?
Yeah, I heard you. Come on, take it, take it, take it. Oh, 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 got one. Oh, no, I don't. That's it. Might have been a mangrove.
I thought you could see fish with these.
You can see clearer in the water, and I never said you could see fish. Oh. Alright, babe. I need another shrimp. Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
I'll give it back to you in a second.
We're just getting bites. Little mangrove.
Need a shrimp?
Oh. Take it. There it is. See, see, see.
Oh,
Oh, oh, oh, oh.
they're so little. I thought you were trying to get some
Show me.
big fish. Look inside the water where the shrimp is on the line. I got shrimp.
Whole bunch of little pinfish right here. Maybe some mangrove. And there it is. Nope. I just keep hitting it. I ain't taking it though. Come on, up.
Mommy, I want the net. I want a net.
And they took my bait. Let's do this. Hook them on like that. This one's dead. Hook them both ways.
Okay, my foot.
And boom. Oh, already.
Give me the net. Give me the net.
I got one more shrimp to get rid of.
What?
I'd throw the cast net here, but a lot of rocks.
Oh, you know what?
Give me the net. Give me the net.
You don't need a shrimp.
That thing's just getting beat up by a whole bunch of fish.
Let me get rid of the shrimp on the
Little tail though. There we go. Look at that.
You know you can bait.
What'd you get? Did you record it?
So Shay's on something, but it dragged her around the pylon right there. That's fighting. Oh, there it is. There it is. You got past it for sure. Let's see what you got.
Yeah, I got something really good.
How big is it?
Pretty big.
Make this for us for the crabs. God, thank you. The crabs are
Damn pretty boy.
Grab my knife right there.
I got
Oh,
you.
fish too?
That's so big.
Still fucking
Razor blade
big.
knife? Which knife?
The one in the bag,
So.
the white one.
You got a vape one
That's
time?
cool though.
Fire an ice one.
Good job, Shay.
He's mad. He hit you.
Me and Sal are catching bait. All these little croakers. We're using a piece of cut shrimp, and that's it.
Bless you.
We're just getting that small ass piece of fucking shrimp skin. They don't want it no more. They definitely cleaned that off.
Go Peyton. She'll pass out in the truck. Go Peyton, go, Peyton, go. Go Peyton, go. What the fuck kind of exorcist is that? That was an exorcist ass shit, boy. You take it Halloween to the heart. Go Peyton, Beat it. Beat it.
We out here doing a little bit of night fishing right off the hotel. Robbie, say what up, bye. We got Matt over there. Got a little crab that we just found on the beach. Fixing to give it a try. Kind of didn't have too much luck earlier. A bunch of bait fish, an array. So I got my rod out. Got a double bait going on. Sitting here waiting. Little shell cat. Didn't even know I had him on, so I did not catch a video. Decent size.
I'm pretty sure I felt them fight.
Probably catfish, small one. Oh no.
She got a puffer fish.
Yes, she did. That's freaking awesome.
You gotta show her.
Good job, babe.
He's so cute.
Yeah, he is. He's fucking adorable.
Your mom just sent me a video of the puffer fish with the dolphins that get high on. Here, look, right here too. Right there, look. You see him?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a shark?
No, dolphin.
Are you sure? He scared it because he put the... I don't know where to go.
Oh, Angelina got another puffer fish. No.
He's cute.
Show Rain. See if she freaks out.
Look, Rain.
It's okay,
Oh,
it's
God.
okay, it's okay, it's okay. Here.
Look, Reagan will touch it. Reagan, don't start your bull crap.
Big
Is the
bite.
bottom spiky?
Isn't part of them poison?
Little spiky, not too much. It doesn't hurt.
Oh shit.
And then you touch right here.
What's that?
He's so cute.
What is that?
A soft spot.
Is that how you blowing them up?
No.
So he's scared when they stay puffed out, right?
Yeah. Then you drop in the water, they float for a minute, then they go down.
He let go immediately.
Yeah, as soon as he touched the water, he felt safe.
Why do I keep catching fucking puffers?
What movie was it where he was in the tank and like they were freaking him out? He's like,
Yeah, Nemo.
you don't puff out, babe.
Yeah, I think it's Nemo. Finding Nemo. Or Finding Dory.
What are you doing to your
I think it's
sister?
Nemo. Yeah, I don't know why I just put that big ass crab on there. Cause I'm sitting there thinking about what the fuck kind of fish is gonna grab.
A big one. Are you?
Just let it take it.
Yeah, whatever's gonna take that is gonna be big.
Over here talking shit.
Watch me the fucking sheephead
I want
that
one.
you just fucking said.
Is there any more?
I got one.
Huh?
I got one.
Are you cutting the old ones or the fresh ones?
Fresh ones.
The old ones are alive still, aren't they?
No, put it back. Don't let worry about it. Let her play with it.
I will let her run with it. It's gonna be a bigger fish, probably.
Oh, getting chased right there.
Yeah, over by where he just tossed.
His sock.
No, man, that's somebody's cum sock. Which one of you fucking get this shit?
There they are. You barely see them down there. Such a small net, we might not get them on time, but for the shot.
You got the 10 foot?
It's too big to throw here. The current's way too strong.
Jelly.
I'm over there.
Yeah, right here. Shit down right there.
Oh, yeah. Right here. One of them right there. Yeah. Right in this area, right there. All
See the dimples?
the dimples, that's all you need. Let it sink.
Don't need to let it sink too far.
No.
You're right. Because if you hit that pile, you might see it.
I might have to go grab that 10 foot.
We're trying to get bait fish.
You're going to light it down. Light it with weights so they don't sink fast enough. Greeny.
Yeah. Definitely probably gonna have to get 10 foot.
They're not on top. Yeah. They play the small net. Get it in your mind like you.
Oh, yeah.
Nice catch.
I am not losing my fucking knife.
Waiting.
That was beautiful. I do better.
That's saying something.
All right there. So.
Right here.
Huh?
Pull it over here. The greenies.
Right here, Bubba.
The greenies.
Greenback.
This net ain't gonna fucking do it. I need my
Get the big
fucking.
one.
I'm gonna have to.
You gotta have a heavy net.
Quick.
All that bait's just fucking crazy. Might not even get any of it. All looks pretty small. I'm not getting shit. Not with that fucking throw.
Think all that trash.
Maybe. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna fucking try. Not shit. Oh, look at all that.
Watch it. Rain. It's a really pretty boat.
Rain just fell. Yeah. What happened? How bad is it? Hey, caught a mangrove. Look at that.
Got him.
These ones are fun to play with.
Daddy, do it. Daddy, do it. Daddy, do it.
I need the pliers.
Where's your bag?
I got it.
Can you get him to blow up?
Math.
These things are cool though when they blow up. All spiky and everything.
He's not scared. His eye, yeah, his eye is fucked up. He got cataracts in the one.
Yeah.
Alright, it's the end of our extended weekend, but guess what? We'll be back out here next weekend, so we'll have a continuation video coming for you guys. Ain't that right, Robbie?
Going out to Mosquito Lagoon next weekend.
Fuck yeah.
Check that shit out.